Today you will learn how to edit this Adobe Illustrator file without using Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, I have a file which I can edit in Adobe Illustrator. I can do any kind of changes, but if you don't have Adobe Illustrator in your PC, then you will have to use the alternative option. The best method to edit these files is by going to photopea.com. Here you can see I have multiple options to upload like PSD, AI, XD, Sketch PDF and so on. So select the file and drag it on this page here. You can also use this button to upload the file. So here is our file open in photopea.com. This file is completely editable and the interface is quite similar to Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. You can see the layer panel here. All of your shapes are organized here. Simply select the shape that you want to edit. You can change position of the shape, resize the shapes as you want. For example, if you want to change the gradient background, simply double click on this layer, click layer and adjust the gradient as you want. Click OK, and here is our file. You can save this file in many formats like JPG, PNG, WebP and so on. One issue I have faced here is you cannot save the file again in AI format. If you guys know any method, please comment below. It will be definitely useful. Second option is Inkscape. Inkscape is the best free alternative to Adobe Illustrator. As you guys know that Adobe Illustrator is a paid software, but you can free download Inkscape and install it in your PC, and you can edit any kind of Illustrator file free of cost. So I hope you have learned how to edit Adobe Illustrator files without using Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.